Hey, if you want to give or get a great massage, keep watching. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes. Today, Tom and I will teach you a new way to feel about yourself with the squeeze and roll massage stroke, also known as petrissage. By the end of this video, you will know how to make yourself feel better fast using your hands and your head. This is the third of a 6-part series. It's a learn by doing video, so while you view it, do it. Let's get started. There are 7 strokes to a brilliant massage. Squeezing and rolling is the third. This is a 2-part stroke. In theory, it's simple. It's just squeezing and rolling. You can squeeze and roll muscles on your arms, your leg, your neck, your shoulders, and your feet. Massage therapists call this stroke petrissage, which means kneading, as in kneading bread. Note the thin line between pleasure and pain. With this stroke, use just enough pressure to tweak that line. Squeezing and rolling delivers all the benefits of squeezing and more, much more. It gives your fingers a workout and your muscles a roll. Athletes love this stroke because it makes sore muscles disappear. This stroke is simple, but not easy. Always remember, though, your hands are your ticket to a healthier, happier life. If you haven't already squeezed and rolled it, try it now. Get your left hand out to massage your right shoulder. Relax your right arm by resting your hand on your leg. Squeeze and roll your shoulder. Keep moving your shoulder, looking for tender spots, especially on the back of your shoulder. Apply different levels of intensity to your squeezings. Once you get the hang of it, keep doing it. You'll reach that thin line between pleasure and pain. Stay on it. When you've had enough, move both hands to your quads for 2-handed squeeze and rolls. Just interdigitate your hands and press and roll your palms into your thigh like Tom was doing. Feel good? That's the revolution in sensation in your hands. Stop what you're doing, quiet your hands, and breathe. 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 It's time to relax and notice how good you feel. Think about what you learned today. You learned more than petrissage, a squeeze and roll move. You learned a massage stroke to help relieve pain and change the way you feel about yourself. This is the third of a 6-part video series. It's based on the book Self-Massage for Athletes, which introduced a new kind of self-massage. It's not your parents' self-massage, it's self-massage for your whole body. It's not assisted massage like you find in spas, it's do-it-yourself massage. It's active, not passive. It empowers you and teaches you about yourself. It's easy to learn and simple to do. It challenges, stretches, and exercises you. It helps you relieve pain in a new, more effective way. To learn more about this new kind of self-massage, check out our website at selfmassage.com. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below to let us know. And subscribe to feel better fast. Self-massage. It's not just for cheapskates anymore.